What if I told you, holding a sneeze could actually tear your body from the inside? Sounds dramatic? Let me explain. When you hold a sneeze, all that explosive pressure, moving faster than a car on the highway, has nowhere to escape. Instead, it slams back into your body. That can pop tiny blood vessels in your eyes, rupture your eardrum, or even push air into your chest cavity. In extreme cases, doctors have reported strokes triggered by a single blocked sneeze. So next time, don't be a hero, just sneeze, into a tissue or your elbow. It's safer, and way less embarrassing than explaining to your doctor why your eardrum just exploded. Most people think sneezing is harmless, but now you know the hidden danger. Share this to protect someone and follow for more medical truths your textbooks never told you.